falling snow and blowing, and drifting snow will result in near whiteout conditions and extremely dangerous travel. Snow accumulations, 5 to 12 inches, with the highest totals over south-central Minnesota. Locally higher amounts of over a foot are possible. Winds west-northwest to 25 to 35 miles per hour with some gusts to 45 miles per hour, and rippling. This includes Interstate 35 south of New Market and the Interstate 90 corridor between Fairmont and Albertley. A winter storm warning is in effect for most of central and western Wisconsin, including the entire 20 miles an hour in the afternoon. Friday night, partly cloudy, patchy blowing and drifting snow in the evening. Lows near zero. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. And now for the extended forecast. Saturday, partly cloudy. Highs around 14. Saturday night, spotters and snowfall observers are urged to report snowfall amounts to the National Weather Service. Blizzard warning remains in effect until noon Friday. A blizzard warning remains in effect until noon Friday. Timing: snow will rapidly develop and increase in intensity through this afternoon. The snow will taper off late this evening. Main impact: combination of heavy falling.
The good news is I'm only about 8 miles from home now. Yeah, I think so. That sounds about right. It's not very far. Oh, the Saturn guy just bumped up against the curb. He guys turned a left in Rockford here to go on Main Street, and there's a bunch of accidents. Cool. All right, bye.